Is the Philips TAT1109 really better than its previous version? I tested every detail, and while the audio output is surprisingly good, I found a connectivity issue that, in practice, broke my experience in specific situations. Before we start, a small notice. I left the affiliate links for this product in the video description or the first pinned comment. So if you decide to buy through one of them, it really supports the work here on the channel. Rest assured, this does not affect my opinion or experience with the product. Many people think cheap earbuds deliver poor sound quality, but comparing it to other products in this price range, I can say the Philips TAT 1109 is an exception. The audio output is very good. It features 10mm drivers that deliver a volume level I found quite high and fair. The low frequencies are well balanced. I activated the mode that improves low-end performance by holding the left earbud, but honestly I felt very little difference. It requires extreme attention to notice any change, which actually proves that the standard sound is already excellent without needing gimmicks. There is also a game mode. In my tests, I didn't feel a huge reduction in latency. It works fine for single-player games, but if you are looking for something highly competitive to face adversaries, this might not be the best choice. If you usually struggle with in-ear headphones or models without stems, know that this specific design fit perfectly in my ears. I used them for exercises, and at no point did they fall out. The passive isolation alone was enough to keep me immersed. Regarding durability, it features IPX4 protection, meaning it handles sweat and splashes. However, my recommendation is, if you sweat a lot or get caught in a drizzle, dry the earbuds immediately to ensure a long lifespan. This is where it beats the previous version. While the old one only had 15 hours, here I got a total of 24 hours of durability, 6 hours in the earbuds, and 18 hours in the case. For my usage, charging it takes about 2 hours. I tested the microphone, and for the cost, the capture is acceptable. In my opinion, it works well for calls in quiet environments like an office. But don't expect miracles. If you are in a noisy street, it lacks advanced filtering to block out that external chaos. Now the points that bothered me. First, there is no app and I missed adjusting the volume directly on the touch controls. Second, despite using Bluetooth 5.4, the connection wasn't stable throughout my entire house. Unlike other models where I can walk to the kitchen, here I experienced signal drops when walls were involved. My final opinion is that it really meets basic needs for a low cost. It is a highly indicated purchase for the audio quality and fit. For a price around $20 to $25, it is much better than buying generic brands. It is ideal if you want to listen to music with quality while keeping your phone close. However, if you need a connection that works across your entire house through walls, check out the video on the screen about the JBL WaveFlex, which handles distance much better. And as I mentioned before, if you decided to buy this product, you can use my affiliate links in the description or the pinned comment. I have already researched the best supplier with the lowest price to make it easier for you. By buying through them, you help the channel bring new content like this. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Bye.